Yeah, I remember when that girl didn't need me. I didn't have no money and I couldn't find out what's the reason. Why? Now that hoe back on my team, cause my neck wet like a squeegee. Whoa. We serve them packs in the net, we get them.
Your way of life.
Do a little vlog. Alright. Huh? Towel? Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Towel or...
Doesn't matter, just something so we can rest on our hands because it's...
What is up, you guys? This is Whiplash from Our Dream with another video. And today I copped the carbon fiber trunk from Seibon for the Z. And today we're going to be installing it onto the car. We do not know how the hell we're going to transfer the glass from the OEM hatch to the new hatch. But we're going to find out how we can get that done because it does seem a little confusing, but that's the only thing that we have. We're gonna have some trouble with at first. Hopefully it's not too complicated because I don't want to be driving around without a glass on the hatch. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing that today. I'm just gonna go over not exactly what's going on and how to do it, but just a little overview, just shots of us getting it done and the before and after. I copped this from Rally Sport direct for about $650, $800 shipped, and the original price without tax and shipping was $1,000. So I got a good deal in it, and I just like shot on it when I had the chance. So the car's gonna look really sick. I'm still waiting on my two-piece wheels to come. I'm still waiting on my wide body kit. I'm still waiting on my body kit. A lot of carbon. I also have a LED carbon steering wheel, which also coming too as well. A lot of shit to wait on, but I am excited because this product's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna have this car, get my van, and I'm being excited. But let's go outside and show you guys what is going on right now. All right, right here's the box. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in a second outside the box. So what are we working on right now?
Right now we're just trying to remove, well, make it accessible so we can remove the trunk because the trunk is heavy, it's alone already. So the wing would be a hassle trying to take it off with the wing on there. So plus we're gonna transfer it right over. So it just makes it easier taking it all off now. And then,
what do you want to do with the OEM spoiler?
For we can find out how it's bolted on because I don't think it's just. Is it just I think it's just 3M.
It could be like glue 3M, maybe a bullet.
Because if it's just tape holding it down, like the 3M tape, because that's how my spoiler, my OEM spoiler is on there, is with just 3M tape.
Oh shit, they're jumping the bird.
Bird gang. Because we're gonna transfer over your third brake light over, so we could do that right away. That's if you want it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Or just go ahead and find a carbon fiber one because it'll look, it'll look kind of weird having it. Well, not weird, but I mean.
A third brake light?
No.
Oh, that.
Your lip.
Yeah, I was thinking of just like getting a carbon duckbill, but then you think that'd be weird having like a double spoiler?
No, hell no. BRZs have it all the time. Yeah, they always get that. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks, but that's why I'm not gonna get that duck lip looking thing on it. Yeah. But I personally don't like it, but I'll keep the OEM spoiler. But yeah. BRZs have it, and they also have that weird looking hammerhead looking trunk.
Yeah.
They also put that big ass spoiler in the back. So however you wanted to look. I don't think it'll look bad.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you're right. I might just keep it off for now.
If it has, like I said, I would go with a carbon fiber one because for you already have carbon fiber everything in the back. Fully removed the 370Z trunk. It's a little harder than it looks, so make sure you have two people helping you. Well, I mean one extra person, you and the other person, because the trunk is heavy. So as soon as you release those shocks, the shock supports, that hood will, the trunk will fall on top of you. As you can see, we also went ahead and just removed the third brake light off. It's pretty easy. Well, it's kind of hard to remove, but it's pretty easy as well. You're gonna have only one bolt that holds it, which is literally right next to the hinge. And then you're gonna have two little studs that come out, and then you just have to work your way out from prying it off because it is held by sealant tape, foam tape. Yep. So make sure you also get foam tape to put it back on. And then with your wiring for your glass, because your glass is heated to help you with the icing and all that, you're gonna have three plugs. You're gonna have two on this side and then one on the other side. And then other than just prying off all the harness will run through the inside of the hood. Just unplug everything, unscrew everything, and it should easily pull out from the hole that is by the top. It should all just come out. Just slowly pull it out. Yeah, and also not be taken off guard on how heavy this thing is, because this thing is heavy as hell. It definitely took me off guard. So guys, if you guys are doing your trunks at your house, be safe and be well prepared on how heavy this is. Definitely have someone spot you, because this is something that's going to be really hard to take on by yourself, for sure.
the difference between lifting that up, even with the box, like this is already heavier, and this, like, the box is like literally included with that too, and it's not nearly as heavy as this is. It's probably like twice as heavy. Yep, that's pretty much what we did. Took the wing off too, so now basically reassembling everything on is what we have to worry about next. And also the glass, which is going to be, we have no clue, but hopefully we find something easy for that, a good solution. But we'll let you guys know as the video goes on. All right. What is up, you guys? Whiplash back again, finishing up on the install of the carbon trunk. We are pretty much done, and not done completely, but I'm just gonna go outside to show you guys pretty much what we got over right now. This is what we have as far as the install goes. We are not done completely. We are done, but we're not done completely because the trunk is on. But we do have a couple of problems that we need to go over as far as the install goes. We have it on for now, so we're just gonna, oh crap, mess with it the way it is. It looks great, but let's talk about what's going on. So we put on the trunk, it fits good, everything fits okay, but we did run into a couple problems. The first problem is when it rains, rain does go between here. So we do have a thick weathering strip, but it's hard for it to be put on because it's so thick, and this is so small, so thin of a gap to be put into. So in all honesty, I might just put it on the other side, put it inside, just to block the rain from going all the way through. The second problem that we ran into is the third brake light. It's not, it works, but it's not all the way in. As you can see, there's a gap right here. It doesn't go all the way in for whatever weird reason. It's like as far as it goes. It looks really good from far away, but as far as the car up close, if you're really looking for like detail and stuff, like you can tell that this is not all the way in. So that's another problem that we have. That's probably just those two. And also the trunk doesn't latch either. So my latch light is on. It's basically telling me that the trunk is open. So basically it is open. I would have to unlock the car, and I can just pull the wing up and the trunk comes right up. So that's another problem we have. Those are the three problems that we're facing right now. And then besides that, drilling the wing back on was another issue because we did do it kind of slanted. So as you guys can see right here, if I put the camera all the way up, the wing looks like it's angled like this a little bit. Like it's like a little like sad kind of, so we got to go back and redo this too. It's not like completely like terrible, but it's just that this side right here, you can see right here, it comes up a little bit, and I'm not really fucking with that. So we're gonna do what we can do to fix that because I'm not trying to have that. But yeah, so we have to deal with that problem. It's not too much of an issue, but that's something we can focus on after the wide body kit's coming. After wide body kit's on, which is ready to be shipped out this weekend. I have the wheels coming this week, and I have my steering wheel coming this week, so really excited on that. But this is what we have for the car so far. Just like, you know, yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show what we did in the inside in case you guys are installing any kind of wings in a carbon trunk. I'm gonna give you guys a tip so it doesn't damage the carbon or so it doesn't mess up the plastic, the ABS plastic on the inside. So I'm pretty much gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, pretty much what we did. So I just unlocked the hatch right now with my car key. All I have to do is just push this button up right here, just so that it's open. I can grab the strut, not the strut, but the winglet right here, and just lift it up. You might see a lot of water come out. Never mind, probably not. Just a little bit of water on the side. So basically this has no trim for you to hold the wires. So this is like an open chassis and the wires just hang. So I'm gonna try to find a way to fix that, but everything is functional right now. So this is something that we end up fixing. The bolts right here, we're cracking the ABS plastic or the fiberglass kind of like this, and that honestly is not good. If you guys can see that, that's not good. So we have to fix the latch soon so this doesn't become a problem. But pretty much with all this, the bolts were digging into the material and it was cracking the material, so that's what you don't want. So what we did is we put these pieces from a bumper, a BRZ bumper, on here to kind of like take the shock, or take the I don't know really how to really describe it, but basically it just protects the material of the trunk. So it's been working great. These have not been unloosening at all. They used to unloosen a lot, but they have not been unloosening at all. They're working good. So if you guys do have a carbon wing or a wing on top of a carbon trunk, this is what I would recommend you guys to do to keep it in place and to not damage the trunk by any means. I have to clean this. This is from all the installs we were doing, and we have a lot more to go. But yeah, so that's pretty much what the carbon trunk is looking like right now. All right, thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. That is going to be the install video that I have for the carbon trunk. Before we go back and kind of realign everything, make sure everything is 100% perfect. But for right now, the trunk is on, the wings on it, and the lights are functioning. So the second video I'm going to have is going to be us pretty much going back and revising everything. So therefore, I appreciate you guys for watching, for tuning in. I have a lot of installs to come. FRS's, Evo X's, BRZ, Camaro, Speed 3. A bunch of content coming, a lot of shit to record. It's already recorded to my vault. I'm gonna be dropping a shit ton of it this weekend. I have my wide body kit coming, my multi-piece wheels coming this week, steering wheel, LED steering wheel coming this week. So we have a lot of installs coming. Appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. This is $1 Million Dream from Whiplash, trying out yet another $1 Million video. If you're not following dreams, what are you doing? I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, I remember when that girl didn't need me. I didn't have no money and I couldn't find out what's the reason. Why? Now that hoe back on my team, cause my neck wet like a squeegee. We serve them packs in the net, we get them racks like Serena.